Morning, students. Today we are going to start with chapter 3. The name of the chapter is The Little Girl. It is written by Catherine Mansfield. The Little Girl is a story of a girl, Kezia, who misunderstands her father's strictness and usually remains scared of him. Let us talk about the title of the story. The title of the story, The Little Girl, it is all about the girl named Kezia. The story is in fact narrated from the point of view of Kezia alone, her views about her father, her mother, her grandmother, and their cook Alice. So, through this story, readers come to know what a little girl thinks and how she feels regarding the people around her. So, this title is suitable for the story as it revolves around the little girl Kezia. Talking about the theme of the story is based on the relationship between parents and children. Sometimes children take time to understand the actions of the elders, and due to some situations they tend to develop negative opinion about them. But as kids grow older, their attitude towards their elders undergoes change. That means they realize that our parents were true at that time. So the theme of the story is based on the process of change that makes little children notice the soft and caring heart of their strict elders. The story conveys a beautiful message that there is a very strong bond between parents and children. This bond has the strength to survive every type of challenge. So, in this story, in order to prepare a child for the hardships of adult life, parents has to follow the strict punishment, and it is very difficult for the children to understand the true motive behind the stern action of their parents. So, children should trust their parents and the parents should understand their children. So, the responsibility to strengthen the parent child bond rests equally on both. Talking about the author, the story is written by Catherine Mansfield, who was born in 1818. She was a prominent New Zealand modernist short story writer and poet who was born and brought up in New Zealand. But unfortunately, she died in 1923 at the tender age of 34 years due to tuberculosis. She is noted for her short stories with themes relating to women's life and social hierarchies, as well as her sense of wit and characterization. Some of the famous works written by Catherine Mansfield are The Garden Party, The Fly, A Dill Pickle, and many more. Let us talk about the characters to the story. The first main character is Kezia. Kezia is a young child. Kezia is a young child. She is emotional, sensitive girl. She is very much affected by her father's disciplinary attitude as by his love. So she is a bit scared from her father. As soon as she sees her father, she considers him the boss of the family who must be served properly at all the time. So as soon as his father goes for work, she relieves when he leaves for work every morning. Kezia is an obedient girl. The next character is Kezia's father. He is the head of the family and demands complete obedience from other members. And he has a positive aspect of his persona, that he takes care of the little girl in the absence of the woman of the household. Then we have the mother, who is there, who is acting as a guide, as a helper, who is providing everything to her daughter, and she was a pin cushion to present to her father. Then we have the grandmother. Grandmother over here, she is a mature lady who possesses the understanding. She is considered as an understanding elder in the household. She never questioned on the attitude of her son, neither she interfered in any of the matters of the household. So she understands that the upbringing of the children is a delicate issue, and parents should be allowed to discipline their children in their own way. So she was very supportive character. This is all about the characters.